Welcome to our channel. Welcome to another one of our videos. Ladies and gentlemen, we got our pop on Sofi at 1833 or so. The market is still going. We're going to do our live trade real quick, and then we're going to cover a little bit about the news. Let me refresh this page real quick. We're trading on Merrill Edge. We're going to go down here just for a week out because we got earnings coming up. And we're going to go ahead and hit the 20s. Okay, it's still at 1835. We're going to sell to open. A call. We'll go with 25 options. Let's see. Okay, it jumped up to 1838. All or none. Let me click in here of 16 cents. That should give us about $400. I'm going to click this puppy and then we're going to hit submit. The order was executed. So we sold to open the 20 calls that expires next Friday. And picked up some premium at 16 cents. Back to our spreadsheet. I updated our option trade that we performed today. Kathy Wood's ARC bought over $200K worth of Sofi based off the business loan launch day, which was yesterday. The analyst says don't expect quick results. Now the new Sofi loan is going to be capped at $250K for small businesses, and it's going to be a fixed rate business loan. I'm going to place this news article down below. I appreciate everybody watching our video today. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this content. Until next time, this is Sonny. I'm out.